guys, welcome back to my YouTube video, and today my friend Ruby is coming, so yeah. Oh, she's here. Come in. Hello. It's open. Oh, hello. This is Ruby. Hi. This is Ruby. Yeah, I'm just going to shut the door. Yeah. Yesterday I bought these pens, and I bought some more slime. You're trying to find the slime? That wasn't the slime. I think that was the slime. And then there's the slime. But we added. So this was made out of chewing gum. So today me and Ruby. Chewing gum? No. So me and Ruby are going to be making some slime right now. You chewing gum slime? You don't put it in your mouth and then take it out. I didn't know how this worked. Okay, sure, fine. So it's so hard. So we're going to be doing this right now. So that was the slime, but that was from yesterday that my sister made, and it's so like bubbly and really nice. So I'm gonna, and then I have these we can colour because I don't have any food colouring because I used it all. So okay, you gonna go and get the stuff then? Yeah. So shall we bring you guys with us? Oh, do you have it? Yeah. Oh, you have it there. Okay, I have it right here. What do you? So we're going to be using extra peppermint. This is the chewing gum, which is in Sainsbury's, and it's like in the aisle of chewing gum if you want to go into. Can I have one? Can I have one in my mouth as well? Yeah. Should we both do that? Yeah, there you go. Thank you. So she's just going to eat that because why not? But then we're going to make the slime out of one, but we don't. Okay. So guys, what you want to do is basically get one of these. There you go. Okay. And now we're going to go into my bathroom. So we'll see you there. So guys, get rid of that. The thing is actually full up, so I'm just gonna empty that. How do you do it? How do you empty it? Okay, we'll just do it from there. Okay, right. Stop it. So the first step is to fill the that's not sink. Water though. It is water. Is it? Yeah. What colour? It's just where there's stuff in it. Oh. So you want to fill it up in here, and now we're going to just get your chewing gum and start kneading it in here. So what? So just like stop playing around with it. So yeah, we'll see you when we've done that, guys. Okay guys, so I have actually finished mine. I have not. Look at it. And now we've just got to do Ruby's one. Give it to me. It's working. How's this working about? Not too much. Oh, I need to run my hands so disgusting. By the way guys, I'm not really a person who touches water. I only touch water when I'm going in like pools or hot tubs and stuff. I only touch water when I wash my hands, but I don't really put my hands in water for so long. That will do, just keep kneading it. Okay guys, so we have finished our slime. And mine broke. Mine is all like, if you can see there's loads of chunks. Yeah, you just got to keep, this is mine, but I only had half chewing gum. So we're going to make some more now guys, so we'll see you when we come back when we've done that. So, okay guys, we made some more and we added one together to make a big one. We also took the chewing gums out of our mouth because our breath was getting too minty. They were really, just saying that they are quite hot and yeah. So now guys, we are going to colour them. So we're just going to open the packet of pens and we'll see you when we're done. We will be picking out the colours that we want. Yeah, so there is all these three colours. So we have black, grey, brown. We have purple, orange and yellow. Then we have green and red, but the slime has stuck to it. Then we have purple, pink, green and blue. So I'm gonna actually I want to do the blue. Yeah, I was gonna do that, but I might do purple. Okay, you do purple, I'll do blue. So,
my hands are slippery. Let me just go and do my hands. You stay here and do your colour.
So this is mine, and I'm gonna do purple. I'm gonna do purple, guys.
You know, I think just wait into your bathroom. Right, where is my slipper? Oh my god. Right.
And then we'll start kneading it. So I will just show
I
you.
can't open this. My hands are so greasy.
Yes.
Can you open this?
Just remember to keep in the lid on when you're not using it. So guys, mine has got a bit of purple in, as you can see.
Have a look. Have a look. Mine's turning up blue.
And mine is turning out purple. Where's the pen?
Help me.
Okay. This is mine.
Oh my god, it's getting all over my hand.
Yeah, it's fine. They're washable pens. So guys, you might want to use washable pens just in case if you get it all over your hands.
Yeah, you don't want to use like really.
Sharpie.
Yeah,
Because sometimes they don't come off your skin.
Yeah.
So I have got
more
this beautiful pink one.
But I'm trying to get like really dark blue, so I'll be probably doing this quite a while.
Yeah, this is called Candy Floss, because you did pink and I done blue.
Oh yeah, we're doing candy floss. Candy floss.
This is so nice, guys. And mine didn't turn out purple because it's white, so it will turn out pink. It's like a grapefruit kind of, but we have.
Mine's turning out quite blue.
So this is the one I made yesterday, and we're going to colour that pink.
Wait, is Harry here still?
Yeah, they're all here.
Oh yeah, they are. Oh my god, it's still here. He's gonna be annoying us. Oh my gosh, you guys, look!
Yeah, so Ruby, is that your first ever slime?
No.
Okay.
I've had like fluffy slime, but Shine chucked it away.
Did she?
Yeah, it was about like that. There's a pot like
How
that
did you
big.
get it?
It was. I had a sleepover around Ashley Hames. By the way, she's a really good friend. So if you're in Fairfield School and watching this, you should respect Ashley.
Wait, Ashley, who goes cheerleading?
Yeah,
Blonde hair.
yeah.
Oh, her.
The one who went to Torquay.
Who?
The one who she went to Torquay.
I mean Turkey.
Torquay.
Where's that?
I don't know, but there's a place called Torquay, and she went there. So unfortunately, she wasn't there last Friday.
Yes, she was.
No, she wasn't. She wasn't. It was just Savannah. They went to Torquay after then. Oh my god!
This is mine. I added a bit more in.
Do you know what? What does pink? What does blue and purple make?
So,
Purple. Oh my
I'll
gosh,
tell you guys
when
when we have done colouring.
So we have done our colouring.
We have finished, and I have this beautiful pink slime.
Mine was a turn. In the camera it might look blue, but in real life it kind of looks purpley. It was supposed to turn up blue, but it's kind of purple.
Bye guys! Make sure you comment hashtag Daisy Squad
And hit the notification, the subscribe button, and hit that bell.
and like
up. Bye!
You hit that notification bell, subscribe and hit that notification bell and subscribe that button.
Yeah!
Yeah, girlfriend, got it.
Yep!